Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today what we've got to do, we're going to create a program that gets metadata from files and also that strips metadata out of files. So what you'll be needing to do first of all is to import this pill from image. Now you're going to have to go into pip and install this. So I don't think I've got this on board, but I'll just check. Okay, so we go into our terminal and we type in pip install pillow and hit enter. Okay, there we go, it's installed on my system. Okay, so let's just close that. Let's go back here. So that's looking okay at the moment. So what we're going to do now is we're going to have a look at this. Right, first thing I'm going to do is create a path here. The path to my desktop, the users mark desktop, and I've got a file here. The file's called images and I've got a JPEG in there, so it's going to be images. Okay, and then what we do is os.chdir. We're going to change into that path. Right, I'm going to create a function here called get meta, which is short for get metadata. Okay, so I'm going to do the image. I'm going to assign it to the image name, which is king.jpg, and I'm going to create an image variable here and assign it to image.open the image. Okay, then we're going to print image.info, and then we can run the program. Hopefully it will work. Hopefully this program's installed properly and it'll work. We'll soon find out. So get meta. Okay, let's run it. Get metadata. Okay, so this is metadata out of the file. Okay, so we've got all the little metadata here. Let's just zoom in a little bit here. Okay, so that's the metadata from that file. Dots per inch 72. There we go. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to delete that metadata from that image, and we're going to create a new file with that metadata deleted. So I'm going to create a function here called del metadata delete metadata. Create a variable called image, assign that to image.open, because we're working with this pill module here. We'll type in the image we want to open, image.open. Oops, made a mistake there. It shouldn't be that. It should be king.jpg. That's the image we're wanting to open. And we're going to clean the image, so create a variable called clean image. Assign that to image.new, so it will create a new image. It's going to be image mode then image size. Okay. Create the same variable here, clean image, and then that's going to be put data. Create list. It's going to be image dot get data. Okay, made a mistake there. List. Okay, that's all right. And we type in the variable again. Clean image. Save the new image. To save the new image as a new name, so I'm going to call it new.jpg there. Okay, let's save it. Let's run the program. So the program is going to be, call it by its name, which is del meta and data. Okay, got a little bit of a issue there somewhere. Let's have a look at this. Let's just untime that again. So that's del meta data. Let's see if we can resolve that. Okay, let's run it. Okay, let's have a look in here. Okay, so we've got another one called new.jpg. Let's check out the metadata in that. So it's going to be get meta. Let's run it. Okay, I've got another image here that I've just downloaded, cat. Let's check this out. Let's get meta. Just change this, so this is going to be cat.jpg. cat.jpg. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so that's the metadata there. The cat. Okay. Right, let's run it with del metadata. Let's have a look. Del metadata. So we should have another image here. Let's delete. Let's call it new. Okay. So we didn't change that. New. Okay. Let's read the metadata. So it's going to be get meta from there. So we're going to call it new.jpg. Let's run it. And there we go. That's the metadata from there. Okay. So there we go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.